Hello, this is Kavita and you all are watching my channel Chirag and Kavita's World. Today I am going to give you some information related to the future tense. So let's see. First category of simple future tense. Future tense first category is simple future tense. And what is the formula of simple future tense? Subject plus will plus V1. Subject plus will plus V1. And now let's see some sentences related to the simple future tense. She will pluck the flowers. She will pluck the flowers. Then he will catch the ball. He will catch the ball. Formula of your simple future is subject plus will plus V1. Here you can find subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Remaining part is a object. Subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Same way you can find here subject will plus V1 plus object. Now let's see second category of future tense is future continuous tense. Now formula of future continuous tense is subject plus will plus be plus VING plus object. Subject plus will plus be plus VING plus object. It is the formula of future continuous tense. Now let's see some sentences related to the future continuous tense. First is he will be catching the ball. He will be catching the ball. Then second one is she will be catching, she will be plucking the flowers. She will be plucking the flowers. Now he and she, these are subject. Will be is a helping verb and catching is the VING, means we apply here ing form to the main verb. Why? Because it is continuous tense and each continuous tense ing form is a must. We have to write down. Now I hope you understand simple future tense and future continuous tense. Again I repeat, formula of simple future tense is subject plus will plus V1 plus object, and formula related to the future continuous tense is subject plus will plus be plus VING plus object. And we see some sentences related to the simple future tense and future continuous tense. Simple future tense sentences are she will pluck the flowers, he will catch the ball. And sentences related to the future continuous tense is he will be catching the ball, she will be plucking the flowers. She will be plucking the flowers. Now let's see some sentences related to the future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Now let's see future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Formula of future perfect tense is subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object. Subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object. It is the formula of future perfect tense. Now let's see some sentences related to the future perfect tense. Now first, they will have decorated their house. Then we have will have watched the movie. We will have watched the movie. Now see, they will have decorated the house. We will have watched the movie. Second and third form of the main verb watch. First form of the main watch is the first form, and watched watch. Second and third form are similar here. Now see, they we are a subject. Will have helping verb, and V3 we use here why. We use here V3. Why? Because it is a perfect tense. And each perfect tense, it is necessary to write down their third form of the main verb. That's why we write here third form of the main verb in future perfect tense also. Now let's see some again sentence related to the future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Formula of future perfect continuous tense is subject plus will plus have plus been plus VING plus object. It is the formula of future perfect continuous tense. Now see some sentences related to the future perfect continuous tense. They will have been decorating their house or home. They will have been decorating their house. Then second one is she will have been catching the ball. She will have been catching the ball. They will have been decorating their home. She will have been catching the ball. They and she, these are here subject. Will have is a helping verb. Will have is a helping verb, and been we have to apply in perfect continuous tense. Same way, in perfect continuous tense also we have to write down their been, and after been we always write first form of the main verb. Why? Because this sentence is a future perfect continuous tense. In continuous tense, ing form is must. That's why we write here ing form to the main verb. Now, I hope you all are understand future perfect continuous tense also.